there, welcome back guys. Welcome back to a brand new video of Mighty Ghost Hack YouTube channel. So to begin with, I started to upload a video with the Cypress test automation. So let's begin with its introduction. Well, Cypress support most of the modern application that is built on React, Angular, Vue and so on. Often Cypress compared with automation tool like Selenium. There are lots of debate on which is the better tool, like Cypress versus Selenium with respect to automation. However, both Cypress and Selenium both have their own set of advantages and disadvantages, and it is up to the user requirements that we should take up a tool. Well, I like Cypress so much and I don't wanted to move to the Selenium anymore just because of it is a faster, reliable and overall easier to use. I can write my test faster and getting more consistent result from this Cypress. Now let's take a look into the Cypress and the Selenium basic difference point. Cypress is available via NPM and it is considered as a tool. And in case of Selenium, it is available via jar or API that we need to download. Cypress only run on the JavaScript, and but in the case of Selenium, it's run on the wide range of different languages like Python, Ruby, C Sharp and JavaScript as well. So in this case, Selenium has the greater uses and the very good community support. Cypress run execution differently and directly in the browser, but in case of Selenium, it is a slower side of execution. Cypress has the feature of capturing a screenshot and videos internally without requiring any help of external tool. Now for the Selenium, it has the feature of capturing the image by default, but for the videos there are no support. We have to rely on the external resource. Now Cypress does not support mobile application, but Selenium support the mobile application as well. Now it's come to the debugging point. It is very easy to debug on the Cypress but difficult to debug on the Selenium. There are some key points that we should need to consider, but I am not including here because those could be very confusing to you if you don't know any basic of the test automation. You can consider this only point which I just said to you. Now, why we need to use this Cypress? This question should come into your mind. Now, as I said, Cypress have some advantages over the Selenium, and Cypress is a more overall work with the JavaScript framework only. So as whenever we come with the JavaScript, it is a better to work with the Cypress only, and Cypress is going to enable us the writing date, integration testing, unit testing and end-to-end testing. Now how it actually look like in the real world. So here it is. Here you will able to see I attached a single image which shows the real image of its test, and I just attached it for the reference. Now what are the prerequisites is required to work with the Cypress automation tool? Well, we just require the JavaScript basic knowledge, and the DOM manipulation should be the good to have. And once we have the JavaScript knowledge, to work with the JavaScript framework, we also need to require the Node application should be installed in our machine. And to work with the test cases, we require any code editor. In your case, that could be the different. In my case, I would like to use the Visual Code Editor often. So far, I can consider you at least got the basic idea of Cypress framework and what you will learn from this upcoming playlist and upcoming videos, which I am going to planning to upload very soon. So you will able to learn how you are going to find the web element using this Cypress, and those could be the different types of like web elements such as list, drop down, table, select, input element, dialog box, etc. And of course we will learn how you are going to use the acceleration library and some external tools as well. And also we are going to work with the APIs, how we are going to test its request and the response. Now you will also about to learn its environment configuration as well. So far I can consider that at least end of this playlist, you will have all the required knowledge to proceed with the Cypress test automation. Lastly, thank you to bear with me till now. Right now I am going to signing out. So stay safe, stay healthy. Bye.